Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef udon stir fry. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delicious meal. You will need about 1 pound of thinly sliced beef, like sirloin or flank steak, which cooks quickly. Also, prepare 2 packs of fresh udon noodles, ensuring they are separated. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 large onion, 2 colorful bell peppers, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Finally, have your sauce components ready: soy sauce, mirin, sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. Now let's get our main components ready. Begin by marinating your thinly sliced beef with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. This tenderizes the beef and helps it brown beautifully. Next, boil your fresh udon noodles for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender but still have a slight chew. Drain them well and rinse with cold water to prevent sticking. Finally, slice all your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces. The heart of any great stir-fry is its sauce, and ours is simple yet packed with flavor. In a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of soy sauce with 2 tablespoons of mirin, which adds a lovely sweetness. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar for a touch of tang and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. Stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Finally, whisk in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This will help thicken the sauce as it cooks. It's time to bring everything together. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat until shimmering. Stir-fry your marinated beef in batches for about 2 minutes per batch until it's beautifully browned, then remove it and set aside. Next, add your sliced onions and bell peppers to the wok, cooking them for 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender crisp. Finally, return the beef and udon noodles to the wok, pour in your prepared sauce, and toss everything to coat evenly. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.